Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Regeline de Guzman Honra. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Casiguran, Sorsogon. I'm married. I have 2 kids. Their ages are 18 years old and 16 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I'm eldest.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate
Why did you not go to college?
because financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, 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 I work but 3 months in Saudi,
And your duties are?
cleaning, ironing, and take care of the child, and cooking.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I worked for 2 years,
And your duties are?
cleaning, ironing, cooking, and go to market.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, honest, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to work abroad?
because I want to support my family.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them with calmly.
What is your message to your future employer?
They're my future employer. I assured you that I am hardworking and honest. If you have a child, I promise to love them as my own, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.